My name is Mark Davies. I'm farming here with my wife Caroline, and we've been milking cows for numerous years. We live here in West Wales, in Pembrokeshire, which is a lovely part of the country. We're milking high-yielding cows, so we decided to upgrade our system. We put 4 Lely robots in, and we were looking for, obviously, cow comfort, as we have a house system in 365 days a year. We looked at several units and several different cubicles, and we decided that what we've seen about the place, about the country, that the cows seem to be most happy in EASYFIX cubicles and on their mattresses as well. We've been milking cows now in this building now for the last 14 months, and in all fairness, the cows have yielded 2,000 litres extra. We've gone from 9,000 litres a year annually to up to almost 11,000 litres a year. We've kept our quality of milk exactly the same, and I think, as you can see from behind me, the cows are extremely comfortable in the cubicles. The milk yield has shown us exactly that the cows are as comfortable as they can be. We've recently won a couple of awards in the South Wales Holstein Society by having one of the highest yielding herds in West Wales, the highest yielding cow and heifer as well. So I think the EASYFIX cubicles has contributed massively towards it, and the mattresses as well. And I don't think that I have seen cows as comfortable as I've seen about the place in all my years of farming for 22 years. So the EASYFIX cubicles was the best choice that I've made, and I would highly recommend it to any farmer to move forward in this day and age.